Hi friends, welcome to Leadership and Entrepreneurship Insights. And as promised, every night we will come here to discuss about the questions that you ask us on YouTube, Instagram and other social media channels. So like we say, no gyan, only solutions on leadership and entrepreneurship insights. And every day we will take one or two problems or we'll call a famous entrepreneur, an established entrepreneur and discuss their success stories. This series is getting a lot of popularity. More than 300-400 people see this on Instagram in a 24-hour cycle, and this also gets put on YouTube. So please send your love, your comments, your blessings, and we feel very lucky. We feel extremely empowered that we are getting your support, your blessings. So I would like to take one question. One question that we keep getting is in these tough times. In these tough times, how can you do sales? So I'm going to take this series of questions that in lockdown, how can you prepare for sales and revenue generation? But I'll give you one tip. Okay, sales is all about preparation, and the markets are changing, the world is changing. So start preparing. Those who prepare will succeed. Okay, there's a very famous quote which says that failing to plan is planning to fail. So please make powerful plans and please keep growing. And today I will invite one of my dearest friends, an extremely successful entrepreneur, Mr. Piyush Dedia, also known as the Millionaire Fashion Guru. So I'm just going to invite Piyush Bhai very quickly. So Piyush, and we have more than 28-30 people already live connected with us. So Piyush Bhai, whenever you're ready, please join us.
Hello, sir.
And the fashion guru, the millionaire fashion guru is here. Piyush Bhai, I'll give you a very short, brief introduction. I am an extremely simple guy. I have absolutely no dressing sense. I credit my wife to make me look presentable, somewhat presentable. And the second person whom I credit is Piyush Bhai, and more than him, his wife Shilpa Bhabi. They run a fashion studio called as Soul, and they are in touch with a lot of celebrities, a lot of entrepreneurs, and high power, impactful. And Piyush Bhai is known to just change their presence, their personality. In fact, if I'm even looking 10% decent, it is only because of this guy. He has changed my entire wardrobe. I have still lots to learn, but Piyush Bhai, thank you so much for coming this show.
Welcome, sir.
Piyush Bhai, we'll keep all our answers very brief. Can you give your brief journey? How did you end up into fashion designing and also into men fashion and men styling?
So my grandfather was into retailing of clothes store. Then this store of mine happened gradually. From that, we started going on. Can you hear me, sir? Then from there, we started our journey of fashion designing into menswear, and gradually we applied for Lakme Fashion Week, which is the highest ultimate path where you have to reach. In that we cleared, and we were one of the best showcases of that Lakme Fashion Week. We have done 3 seasons of Lakme Fashion Week. This is the short and brief journey of our this thing. And in this journey, we have designed for a lot of cricketers, film stars, and a lot of films also, sir.
I'm sure.
And superstars like you.
No, sir. I'm a very small person, but thank you for your love. Lakme Fashion Week, my friends, is the gold standard, and Piyush Bhai and Soul have not done it once but thrice. So Piyush Bhai, tell me, when you are dressing a person, and we'll take different case studies. Let's say you are dressing him for a wedding or for some festival celebration, maybe ethnic feel. So how do you design? How do you decide the colors, the taste? So just walk us through that journey. कि घर में शादी है, there's a festival on. How do you design?
See, sir, everything is personal and depends on that particular individual, what his taste is, what his liking is, and what he looks like. So we suggest accordingly. We suggest according colors. And for the groom, we even suggest what that bride is wearing. Accordingly, we suggest some colors and some styles. And we give them some options. And from that, they choose, and we give them the best of looks, what they like.
All right. So the millionaire fashion guru Piyush Dedia is here. Sir, I am your fan. You have more than 40,000 active followers on Instagram, a lot of celebrities, a lot of TikTok stars. So let me ask you, how did you come with this contact? Harbhajan Singh is a good friend. You've got a lot of celebrities, a lot of cricketers connected with you very closely. How did you come in touch with them?
So basically, I was a cricketer myself. I have played a lot of local counties before. And I know I was very close friend of Vinod Kambli since 92. That time I knew Tendulkar also, but that time I graduated and just did my fashion course. So that time I was not designing, but I had love for cricket. So when I became a fashion designer, my love for cricket was still on, and gradually and This took me to everybody. And the main breakthrough was when I met Mr. Harbhajan Singh. And from there, I got a lot of cricketers. And the best part was when I started designing for the commentators. And that was Shoaib Akhtar. And that was a major breakthrough which I got in the commentary team. Before it was only black, blues and grays. I broke that monotonous. And we gave different colors, different styles to Shoaib Akhtar. And from that day, all the commentators started coming to us. All the cricketers.
Yes. I also remember, I think VVS Lakshman, Akash Chopra, Shreyas Iyer, I think a lot of guys are connected to you.
Yeah. Virender Sehwag, Kapil Dev.
There you go. And Bhaji Paji is, a person with, a golden heart. So now let's go to the corporate world. How did you enter into a lot of corporates? I know you do a lot of power dressing also. So can you give me some tips that, if I want to attend a very, very important meeting, a board meeting, what kind of clothes should I get and how are you connected with corporates?
Corporate, sir, you need to wear formal suits, or right now there are Bangala bundis which I have given you.
Yes.
So as India is too hot, sometimes you feel discomfort with suit. So bundis is also a formal thing which gives an Indian look to it. So there are a lot of variations and designs like a checks waistcoat, a checks bundi or a checks suit paired up with a good colored shirt. So this is formal attire, or maybe sometimes just a denim waistcoat and a good formal shirt.
Wow. So we will take some more tips, but guys, if you have any interest in fashion, styling, power dressing, looking smart, getting the right clothes, please follow Piyush Dedi on Instagram. He's a gem of a person. And for leadership and entrepreneurship, please follow Basesh Gala. So Piyush bhai, general tips. Abhi lockdown chalu hai. There is lockdown going on. These are tough times. But I keep telling a lot of people that, dress for confidence, dress for success during video conferencing. So what's your tip? If there's some video conferencing going on, how do we dress? How do we look more presentable? Some tips, Piyush bhai.
So depends on what event and what type of job you are into. If you're a formal person, wear a formal suit. Some semi-formal jackets also, or just a formal pant shirt also will do. Depends on the occasion and depends on what work you're doing.
All right. And let's say I have to do a board meeting, or let's say for me, I do a lot of Instagram, YouTube live, Facebook live. So what kind of clothes should I wear to look more presentable and to connect more with the audience?
So majorly you have to be in suits, formal suits with good ties, good shirts, and a checkered suit, a striped suit, different colors, different combinations and all. So it should not be just black, blue and grey monotonous, which I broke in the commentary also. Ages ago, there was only black, blues and greys in British commentary, in Australian commentary, everywhere. But even Matthew Hayden wore our suit, which was colored. So I broke that monotony. And now people are trying all the suits, all the colors in the commentary. You can see that right now. So that way, gradually for formal, for your thing also, gradually we'll show how to dress up. With you, we'll start first, sir. We have done, but now more gradually, we'll make you more colorful and more bling, maybe.
Thank you so much for your love. और आपका पूरा हक है. You have all the rights on me.
Sir, जैसे सिद्धू पाजी है, सिद्धू पाजी, he was the best commentator. तो मैंने IPL के लिए एक टाइम शोएब अख्तर के लिए I made some good suits. तो he met me and he said, "You are his designer." He said, "Yes, you are doing a great job." He said, जो टीवी पे दिखता है वो 80% मायने रखता है, और जो मैं अच्छा बोलता हूँ वो 20% मायने रखता है.
Wow.
So sir, your clothes will make difference of 80%. So I'll make good suits for you now.
I am sure. So what Piyush bhai saying is 80% is how you are presentable and 20% is actually what you see, especially on social media or television. So that's a very, very powerful insight. Sir, there are a lot of young guys looking up to you. We have more than 40 people live connected, more than 400, 500 people will see this, or maybe thousands will see this. What tips would you give them, once the lockdown is over, and let's say they are going for a corporate meeting, a board meeting, or a professional job? How should they dress themselves? Any hatke ideas, sir?
So any hatke idea, first thing, one thing what is fixed is change. So you should not be fixed, first thing. Only thing constant is change. So keep on changing. Normally, sir, we have preferences of colors and likings. Supposing I like blue. If you see my wardrobe, generally, or anybody's wardrobe, it will be only blues. So what I suggest is break that monotony, hire a personal designer like me or a stylist, and he'll suggest you what looks good and different. Normally, when we buy on our own, we buy what we like more. And then we become monotonous and we look monotonous. So always gradually we should keep on changing. And listen to your wife.
Listen to your wife. That's the most valuable advice. I think Neha, my wife, will be very, very happy, and Shilpa Bhabhi also will be very, very happy. We are getting a lot of appreciation. One question the audience is asking us is, what are the tips for color combination? What do you suggest in general?
Normal, sir. Normally, you will see in corporate, you'll wear a light blue shirt and a dark blue, navy blue pant. I said no. Wear a khaki trouser and wear a royal blue shirt. What I give is always opposite. Then only you will be different in thousand. Otherwise, you will be one of them. जंगल में शेर एक ही रहता है, तो शेर दिखना है तो अलग करो, अलग पहनो. Then only you will look different. But you have to take that risk and that chance. And I guarantee, if you take that risk, you look better.
Right. There's one question is, what is the current trend going on? Of course, there's lockdown, but let's assume that, in 2 weeks when we have to go out, just for a casual meeting in Starbucks for coffee, what do you suggest? How do I look
So
impressible?
right,
How do I
right
present it?
now, right now, formals, there are stripes which are going on more with trousers. So
Okay.
wear a striped trouser and a good opposite color combination shirt,
Okay.
or wear a different bold color shirt and a basic striped trouser. And
That's
these
superb.
some things practically I can show you, then speak, because you have to feel and see that.
Yes. So Piyush bhai, I would suggest that why don't you do one more live with us where you get some, whenever it's possible after lockdown, where you
Sure.
get various colors, combinations, and we educate the audience, and I also learn from the master, the millionaire fashion guru. And guys, I'll tell you something about secret about Piyush bhai. It's been my honor to mentor him, to be working with him, and he has one guarantee: 100% compliments guaranteed. Whatever he designs, be it for professional, for ethnic, for weddings, for hangouts, parties, normal casual wear, you will 100% get compliments. That's the power of Soul and Piyush bhai, and I personally really, really admire that. So, how did you come up with this tagline? 100% compliments guaranteed.
So normally everybody designs, everybody makes clothes. But what you have to be different. What is your X factor? X factor should be like moment you wear our clothes, you should get compliments. And in this, sir, I personally look into the person who's wearing it. What is his liking? What is his personality? What will suit him? सब लोगों के लिए एक दवा नहीं है. It is like personalized clothing for each individual. It's not fixed monotonous rule. As you said, इसके बाद क्या fashion चलेगा? It's not fixed. It depends on the person also, sir.
Oh, right. So we are getting a lot of questions on, चलो कपड़े तो आपने पहना लिए. You have dressed and styled a person very, very well. What about accessories? What about, cufflinks or anything here, or the
Everything
watches
I
or
guide, from shoes to ties to socks to your belts to your watches to your hair. I have
wow.
everything ready.
Wow.
So
Wow.
I can
Nice.
guide you, and
Yes,
depends
definitely.
like how much bold, how much wild, how much risk you want to take. Accordingly, I have everything. I have good hairstylists also where I can suggest. I have good shoes designs and patterns also which matches with your clothes. So we guide everything, what to wear how.
Yes. And we have more than 50 live users. There's one very, very common question is, what are the common mistakes, a young guy makes? And this is again more in terms of work while dressing, or, to make themselves more presentable. What are some tips that they need to follow so that they don't make that mistakes and look more presentable?
So one thing I'll tell you, when Sachin Tendulkar played for his life, when he retired also, he had a coach in his life. Whatever club cricket, IPL, or he was playing, he had a coach. Do you think Sachin Tendulkar needed a coach? Yes. So that is the way you need, if you want to look good, always you need a coach. For me to do business, I need a coach like you. I have a coach like you. So for clothes, you should always have a coach. See, after some point, if you are buying on your own, you become monotonous. You will buy what you like. So we suggest that break this monotony, change. Only thing constant in life is change. So keep on changing. आज मैं बोल रहा हूँ मुझे blue color पसंद है, कल मैं बोलूंगा नहीं मुझे लाल पसंद है. So this fashion and colors and combinations keep on changing with trends with time.
I also remember Piyush bhai that one time, you are a master in designing of kurtis, and you had made kurti out of, t-shirt material, and you got a lot of orders outside India,
Yeah.
especially from the Gulf and everywhere. So can
Yeah.
you give me that journey? How did you start that journey, and how did you become an international businessman?
So basically, we were into more wedding wear and more formal clothes. So this is not everyday business. This is seasonal. So I thought we should start something where we get everyday business. So we thought of kurtas, and I think there is no brand as such or in kurtas. There is no particular brand, and it's a virgin market where you can tap it. So we started with kurtas, and I have a lot of bloggers friend who blogged for me for kurtas, and with that blogging in the first very season we did for Ramzan, I think he blogged for me and he put up a message at 12:30 in the night. From that day, 15 days of Ramzan, my 4 phones, I'm not joking, not exaggerating, 4 phones 24/7 ringing. I am not joking, 24/7. Muslims normally eat in the night. So there were calls after 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So my guys were not resting, 24/7 phone on, and I had a good business because of that. So today the market, I had a retail store 50 years back. 5 kilometer radius was my range. But with this social media and phone and Instagram, world is the limit. There is no limit as such.
Absolutely. And I think we should all learn from Piyush Bhai that if you are smart on digital, Instagram, right bloggers, right influencers, you can do business with the entire world. Only your talent and your hunger limits you. Piyush Bhai, there's some other innovations that you have done. I am really a fan of your subscription model. It is a big innovation. No one thinks. Can you tell us about that?
So now what happens? We have come up with a package of 12 pairs a year, 5,500 a pair, and 12 pairs. We'll give a package. In this, what we design is we give you 12 different looks. Every month we give you one pair of clothes, and each and every pair is different. So what happens? This you're leaving it up to us to design. So what happens? We give you a look which is different. So all your 12 pairs, what we give, will be not similar or same. The material, the design, the color, the combinations, all 12 will be different. So this helps to give us a different and a variation of looks for you. So in this way, we can give a variations of designs.
क्या बात है? And I think this was a unique thought process which says that a person wants to look different. So instead of buying all at one go, why doesn't it buy regularly? And that's a subscription model. How
so if
evolved.
you keep on adding one pair a month, every time I know what color combination I've given, and whatever new comes, whatever new fashion comes, new color comes, new design comes, I'm ready to give that to you. So always you will look different, and always your wardrobe will be different. And I always suggest that if you're wearing one pair of clothes, like this shirt and this pant, don't restrict yourself to that particular pair. Commutation and combination should be there. In 3 pairs, you can do 12 looks, which I can help you. It should not be only 3 pairs. It should be 12 looks in that. So you should not be fixed in life.
Nice. I think I really love the idea. Piyush Bhai, what is the contribution of your wife, Shilpa Bhabhi? We all know her. I personally love and adore her. What's her contribution in your success story, growth story?
She's the backbone of our company, of me, of my family, of everything. Without that, I will not be there. I wouldn't have been here with you. She's the backbone of everybody. She takes care of finance, my part of designing, and my part of the subscription, where she's the back office person, where she takes care of all the coordinations and all the combinations for us. So she's the main backbone of our system, without which we'll collapse.
So Shilpa Bhabhi is a classical example of an Indian woman juggling multiple roles, looking of finance, business, home, family, spirituality, everything. So I think she is a really, really great validation to you. And also Bhabhi is a good validation for me. She keeps pushing me that, sir, aaj aapka dress barabar nahi tha. She keeps, pushing me to look more presentable. So thank you for that.
Sir, I have decided the moment lockdown opens, the first pair of clothes which is made will be for Sir you. And with this Shubh Shuruaat, we'll start a new journey and reach to a next level of this thing.
Absolutely.
With your blessings.
So much, thank you so much, my love. We'll ask you a few more questions. The audience are asking, giving a lot of compliments. There's a person called as Faraz Khan. He says that Piyush Bhai, your design is very appealing, mind-boggling. So you're getting a lot of compliments.
Thank you.
One question is, if I have to go for a party, all right, what do you suggest I should wear? Where I am comfortable, but I look very, very cool and hatke also.
See, party, supposedly if you are a denim person, you only wear denims and you love denims. So we can make a beautiful party shirt for you with that, which looks different and which you look formal and party. Or supposing if you like formal trousers, so we can give you a beautiful black formal trouser with a beautiful printed shirt or a plain shirt or a good satin shirt. So it depends on your liking. Accordingly, we'll design for you and give you a different look, which is not regular.
Yeah. Piyush Bhai, any tips if there are aspiring fashion designers? A lot of people aspire to come in the fashion and style industry, and a lot of people are watching right now. Any tips for them?
So what I'm saying is always keep on trying, keep on innovating. You should not be fixed in life. The only thing I'm always telling, the only thing constant in life is change. So you should accept change as fast as possible. If you change as a designer fast, you'll give the change fast to your clients or your friends or family. So keep on changing or graduating.
Superb. Now I want to talk about business and business skills. Piyush Bhai, I know you very, very well. You have been my mentee. You have done my course 2 years back. you are a master of networking, right? From Harbhajan, Sachin, Virat, and a lot more superstars, celebrities you're connected with all. Salman Khan also, I know. You're very modest, but I'm telling you, how do you network and reach those people? Can you give some networking tips?
See, my designing and my clothes is a media to reach people. The moment I make clothes, I enter into that heart, into the person, into the heart of that person. And the moment my designs, my clothes are good, they'll definitely start loving me. So my only purpose in life is to make people feel good. The moment they wear my clothes, our clothes, they should get compliments. The moment they get compliments, they'll be yours. They'll start loving you. And that's the media where I used to network. So the moment we went to Shreyash Iyer, where I took you to Shreyash Iyer, Delhi capital, he also told you that he had worn a suit, he loved it, and he got a lot of compliments. In front of you, he told us. So
Yes.
suit was normal, but the color combination, the fit, I gave a knit suit, knit kapda, hosiery kapde ka suit. So that fitted well, that looked good, he got compliments. And the moment they get compliments, they'll not leave you forever like life. The way I'm not leaving you for life, people will not leave you for life.
Thank you so much. But it's a wonderful insight that if your work has excellence, if your work has innovation, people will love your work, and through your work, they will stay connected with you and they will also help you grow. That's a wonderful insight, Piyush.
And as sir, you have taught in your courses that you should network with your business. So I have got a beautiful medium to network. And with your guidance, I'm networking and multiplying my clients. And I only make high-end clients. I only make high-end clothes. With that, I meet multiple ministers, cricketers, film stars. I multiply do that network and maybe gradually grow. And with your Ashirwad, we'll grow much bigger.
Yeah, of course. And whoever works hard, works with Niti, works smart, they are bound to grow. And Piyush bhai, I know that you all work crazy hours and you're a very, very good person, big by heart. You keep helping a lot of people. So Piyush bhai, last two questions. One question is, lockdown ke baad, do you think after lockdown will business go down for fashion, or will you be able to create innovation and keep growing?
So I always feel there will be no mandi, no recession. This is like a spring. The moment you press the spring, it is suppressed. When you leave it, it will jump. So there is a big teji coming, sir. And I think what you think will happen, I am seeing the super teji for Indians. And India will be superpower next, 100%.
And I believe that what you think positively with tactical planning, you will attract
Yes.
those energies and good things
Yes.
will happen.
Yes.
I really admire. Piyush bhai, any last closing words to all the leaders, entrepreneurs, and aspiring